Hey guys, how you doing? Kieran Hogg here, and welcome to my bGarage review. I have members access. We're going to look inside, see how it can help you, and also see how my bonuses can fill in some of the holes where I feel it could actually use a little bit of help. So, without wasting any more time, I'll see you on the other side. All right, welcome back, guys. Thank you for being here. Like I said, this is my bGarage review. This is software that was created by Mark Gray and Jorge Villa. Both of these two are friends of mine, and let me just say that they are very trustworthy. And this is a product that Jorge has created. He's actually a designer, a software designer, and both of these two are great teachers. So if you are looking to get more training with affiliate marketing, take my word for it, these two are two of the best. I've actually created a product with Jorge in the past, and both of these guys are very good. There's a lot of snake oil salesmen in this industry sometimes, and these two are definitely not. So what is the bGarage? Okay, so this is a way that you are basically able to create a bonus page. So if you're doing a review, kind of like what I'm doing right now, it's nice if you have a bonus page. I'll just show you my bonus page here. You can add some bonuses and just some information about the product that you're reviewing. The thing is, the amazing thing with the bGarage is you can do it in about 5 minutes. So there is a link up here that I'll show you. You can check it out on your own, and you can see Mark Gray go through a very thorough demo that just shows you how simple it is. This takes me, this particular software that I use, takes me about 45 minutes. So in fact, the bGarage is something that I'm going to strongly consider getting for myself. All right, so guys, this is a game-changing way to create amazing bonuses and review pages in less than 5 minutes that helps them make 428 over and over. So guys, before I take you to the members area, we're just going to learn a little bit more of what the bGarage is, some of the features before I take you over, and then we'll look at the sales page, and then we'll look at my bonuses and how they can help you if you decide to get the bGarage. So this one is going to help you get your affiliate sales and even get your first sale if you are new to affiliate marketing. All right, so it is basically no skills needed. You can set it up in 5 minutes, no hosting, monthly fees, no paying for ads, websites, no BS. So like I said, what I use takes me longer, maybe 45 minutes to create something, and it is an annual fee. So this is a one-time fee, all right? All right, so that is just a little bit of a nutshell. This is Jorge here, and this is Mark here. I just screenshotted who they were. Let's take you over to the actual members area. So here we have the dashboard here. There's a quick invite to just talking about what it is. You have some of their social media channels. And like I said, Mark and Jorge, they're very good teachers. They actually care about helping you if you decide to get this product. So you can send us an email telling you who they are, and you can tell them exactly what your goals are and why you're learning to do affiliate marketing so they can get better information on how to guide you. And guys, on the April 24th, they're going to be doing an email. They're going to show you some step-by-step further information as well. So this is going to take place on April 30th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this just kind of, they go over and above what is actually called upon, which I think is amazing. So this is something that Mark wrote here, how to get your first sale, a quick video. Live call April 24th, orientation call April 30th, and then here's all the training. Training is done by Mark. Mark is very thorough. I've used his products in the past. I've looked at his training. He leaves no stone unturned. So you're going to create your bonus page from start to finish right here. And also, you can also check out the video in my bonus page, which is going to be one of the first links in the description down below that you can check out. Filling in your profile for maximum clicks. You're going to put in your links, show you how to do that. Your bonus management, how you can tweak it and adjust it, your options. And if you are using WordPress, how you can link it to your WordPress so you don't you can actually have more authority on it as well. Okay, and here are some campaigns. Now this is just the members area access, so I can show you a few here. So here is one. This is by my friend Sylvia here. So she did a quick one, and you can bang it out really quickly here. So here you can have up to 7 different bonuses, and you can change the lookout on these. You can change the value if you want to have the value in here or not. And it's just very, very simple and efficient. It's going to be a big time saver as opposed to the software that I'm using. Okay. This is Sylvia again. So you can just change the different styles here. You can put in all your information there. There's a template that you can use to make it even faster as well. See, this is one I tried to do before and it kicked me out. So see, there's different kinds here. You can put the products in here as well. You can put a way in to get people's emails, and it's just very, very simple. So in Mark's demo, the link that I put in there, you can check it out. It's about 12 minutes long, and you can see how simple it is, okay? So there are some done for you campaign. Here are some done for you. So this is an upgrade, so you'll have to consider that if you do want the done for you campaigns, okay? The bonus list, I'll show you that. So if you get the front end, you're going to get all of these bonuses here. These are products created by Mark and Jorge. And if you get the OTO 2, you're going to get all of these bonuses. And if you get the OTO 1, you're going to get all of these bonuses as well. Plus my bonuses, guys, I've got some bonuses. I've got my mega bonus, which is 270 bonuses all in one. Not to mention the other ones that are going to help you get more traffic. Okay, and it's going to show you how to integrate. So your autoresponder, okay? And these are just some case studies, buyer traffic. So this is just what the whole funnel looks like here, okay? Buyer traffic, traffic training, and let's make money. So these are some of the upgrades right now. All right, and here is support. If you are in trouble, if you have a question, you can either email them or you can just go right to support right here. Okay, I'm going to take you to the sales page. And what I like about the sales page is Mark and Jorge didn't make a massive sales page. Some of these sales pages go on and on and on. So all of this stuff, guys, is already in my bonus page that I've added here. I'm not going to make you go over that again with me. You can check this out in the link in my bonus page. You can check that out, okay? Just click on any of these links here and it'll take you to the sales page, okay? But I do want to take you to their bonuses. So here's just some proof, some financial proof that you can check out on your own. I'm going to kind of go through this quickly. You're going to learn more about Jorge and Mark right here. Some of the benefits. Here's some testimonials. And just down below, this is also the demo video that Mark has created. It's linked here, and it's also in my bonus page as well. Now here are some of the bonuses. So inbox equalizer, full access, product launching, super affiliate traffic domination, Google Ads for beginners, and click track, opt-in page, traffic all over, 2,500 clicks to your offer, 10 plus money making sites, WordPress, full training and sales kit, Warrior plus profits. So all you got to do is to get that. If you just go to any of these links here, and I'll show you how you can get access to those. Now I want to take you to my bonuses and how I think my bonuses are going to help you get the traffic. So you need to get eyes onto whatever product that you are promoting. All right, so I'm going to give you some little hacks on how to help you get more traffic. So you probably are going to be using YouTube. So this is 11 things you should be doing to grow your YouTube channel fast. Right? So I use all of these when I do a review video myself, and I think you're going to get a lot of benefit from this as well. And also, guys, how to increase your email builder. This is going to show you some ways that you can increase your email list. And if you're using Instagram, this is how you can get more traffic through Instagram as well. And as I mentioned, Jorge and I created, and also my other friend Sulek, we created a product called Testorama, one of the easiest ways that you can make money online. So I'm going to give you the front end here as well as the pro, and this is more efficient ways to make money online. So you're going to get both of those as a way of saying thank you for using my link. Okay. And guys, also my mega bonus bundle of 270 amazing bonuses for free.
What? Did we just become best friends? Yep.
That's right. Okay. Not to mention all of the bonuses by Jorge and Mark as well. Now, to get all these bonuses, all you're going to do is just click on here. And then it's going to take you to the sales page, which I just showed you. You're going to click on a link. It's going to take you to Warrior Plus. Now, to get all the bonuses, you want to click on that blue button like so. All right. Now, guys, finally, I want to take you to the funnel. We can discuss the prices and if there are any upgrades that might be valuable for you. Okay, so the front end, guys, is the $27, and it's a dime sale, so it would go up 10 cents per hour. Okay, so you're going to get the 10 bonus library and the 10 campaigns plus all of my bonuses. And the unlimited, that's where you're going to add your own bonuses. So with bonuses that I've given you, you can mix and match. You can, depending on the product that you are reviewing. I've got bonuses about traffic, about email, about different social media, about other niches, about making money online as well. So you can really hone in and make it more specific to the product that you are launching, okay? Or that product that you are reviewing. And unlimited campaigns, opt in to hide the branding, and this is 37. So the lead gen is the auto-generated product page for all your promos, auto-generated bonus page for all your promos, share your own bonuses to get leads, library of 25 bonuses for 47. And then this one, guys, traffic, add your link into our buyers list for $7.95, then recurrent $17.95. But I think I've got you covered for traffic on how you can use other social media to get traffic. And the training, so Mark's Extra Training, traffic training on YouTube, SEO, creating a free website and using Web 2.0 to hit the top of Google and on social media. Now I have this and I think it's amazing. Like I say, Mark is a very thorough teacher. It doesn't matter how inexperienced you are. He holds your hand and guides you very clearly. And this is I think it's very, very good. You might consider wanting to get this if you want to have more knowledge and if you're really serious about how to do affiliate marketing, get traffic, and even learn skills where you can create your own products down the road. And you can get the reseller for $97. And then this one, guys, is a bundle with all of the things here. I'm going to let you check these out. Don't want to waste your time. That is $297. Okay, so like I said, guys, if you are doing affiliate marketing, you're doing launch jacking, these reviews, the B Garage is a way to save a lot of time, a lot of hassle. All right. Now, all of these is just what I repeated up here. The no BS, no paid ads, no website needed, no cloud, one-time fee, etc. And guys, you'll be getting, like I said, all of these traffic building methods as well, plus other ways to make money online, and my mega bonus bundle and their bonuses as well. So guys, check out this link right here, and you'll just see some of the ways that you can tweak it to make it customized the way that you like, and it can be done in just a matter of seconds. Okay, guys, before I wrap up, I just went to my campaigns. I entered a new campaign, and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to be able to create your own. So you're going to name it. You can put the product name here, a quick description. You can have up to 7 bonuses, like I say, with the front end. And you can choose any of these as well. And you can put your link in here. And if you have other video providers, you can put it in there as well. Your button text, you can change the colors here. You can have your opt-ins in here, any extra text. And then CEO, so you probably say yes. And then you can just fill that in. And again, Mark goes over the training on this very, very thoroughly. All right. Images, you can add images, you can put a script, you can choose your files, and then you just update your campaign like so. All right, you guys, so that is the B Garage. If you do want to be making these kinds of videos, doing product reviews, this is something you want to consider. That upgrade with Mark's training as well might be something that intrigues you as well. All right, you guys, I appreciate your time. I hope you got some value from this. And if you use my link, you'll all be getting all my bonuses as well. Until then, best of luck on your journey, and I'll talk to you soon.